Brand new 2021 Yamaha XT250 dual sport, and I mean, we bought it with 0 miles, and we're going to start putting a little bit of accessories on it. And this morning we're putting a Nelson Rigg pack on the rear end. The straps are over long, and so as a temporary measure we're going to zip tie them in a roll, Teamster style, and if they don't act funny after a while we'll just nip them up. We found a picture of this bag installed on this bike and selected it partly because the straps line up just right with the grab handles. Well, there's more than one way to do this stuff. So what worked so well in the first one? Looks great. What'd you do?
Oh, I put the clip through the sewn loop.
On the same
here.
strap?
Yep, and then on its own, back onto itself, and then clip it in. And
Oh,
tighten
great.
it down.
Times 4, right? It's the same
Yeah.
procedure in all 4 corners.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, so they've attached the instructions in here about how to put it under your seat. I didn't do that, but I'm going to carry some extra zip ties. It came with a rain cover, a waterproof rain cover, and some tie-down straps in there, and I believe it expands in here to add some extra height.
Oh, great. Cool. No, neat as a pin. Nice job.